Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Jadine. I'm a classically trained chef with over 15 years of professional experience. In this video, I'm going to show you how to boil an egg. So let's get right into it. First, we're going to start with some cold water. And after adding cold water to your pot, you want to start by placing your eggs directly into the cold water. And make sure the eggs are submerged. So now we're gonna wait a few minutes until the water comes to a boil. So now that the water is boiling and the timer is set for 12 minutes, we're just gonna wait. The timer just went off, so now I'm gonna remove the egg from the boiling water and place it directly into an ice bath. And the ice bath is just cold water and ice. And the purpose of this is to stop the cooking. So now I'm gonna transfer it over to a sink and get ready to peel the egg. And if you notice, I'm using the sides of my finger and not my fingernail. And it's coming off really easily. And we're gonna slice right into the egg. We have a perfectly cooked egg. Thank you for joining. I will see you in my next video. Bye.